Hello everyone, this is GTEL Solutions instructional video on how to get started on your predictive dialer campaign. Okay, so first thing you want to do is change some of the parameters, or I should say set your parameters if you have never made a call before, used a predictive dialer before. Okay, so you're going to want to set your caller ID here, and that's the ID that's going to show when the system is calling through your list and broadcasting out to people. That's the caller ID that's going to show there. Okay, what to do when we reach an answering machine. All right, you can have the option to hang up, connect to the agent, or leave a pre-recorded message. Okay, the next thing it's going to ask you is minimum call duration for email notifications. If you want the system to send an email if the conversation lasts more than 3 minutes or longer, you would do that here. Okay, set the password twice and then click update parameters. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is your pre-recorded message. Okay, so click on upload your recorded message. If you already have one, you would do that here. Okay, answering machine recording, click here, browse for the file, and then click upload. Or if you're going to do the no agents are available recording, which means if the system's dialing out and transfers back to you, but you are on the line with somebody already, then you have the option to play a message for that person with maybe your contact information and apologizing for not being able to take the call. So that's what that's for. Okay, if you don't have a recording and you want to record your message over the phone, then you would do that here. All right, and it would ask you if it's going to be the answering machine recording or the no agents are available recording. Click the telephone number here of where you want the system to call so that you can make that recording, and then click call me to record the message and give you a series of instructions there. Very simple. Okay. If you want to listen to your recording, just do that here. Just choose which recording you want to listen to and click listen to recording. Okay. Once you've done those things, you're also going to want to upload your list. All right. You're going to ask these questions. Clean the list against the National Do Not Call database, yes or no. Move duplicate numbers and randomize the numbers in the list, yes or no. Clean the list against the in-house Do Not Call database, yes or no. Okay, and then it asks you if this list should be replaced. If the list you're going to upload now, if you want to replace the list that's currently uploaded, or be added to the beginning of the list. In other words, combine the two together, or be added to the end of the list that's currently uploaded. All right, then browse for the file and click upload. Okay, that's all you need to do. Once you're done with that, you can start calling. You want to type in the number of where you're going to be receiving the calls. Choose how many lines you want the system to dial out. Right, so let's say, for example, if you want the system to dial out 2 lines, you would click 2 here, start calling, and then the system will automatically call you on that on the number you designated, and then we'll give you a series of questions, and it will ask you if you want to leave an intermittent message, which means if, let's say, for example, the call goes out, somebody answers the phone, it can play a quick message for them while it's transferring the call to you. Okay, just to kind of speed things up a little bit, and it can sound like hi, this is John Smith with HSBC Mortgage, and we're just calling to see, ask you some questions here. How you doing today? All right, and then by that time you will be on the line now, and that person will be transferred over to you, and you can start talking to them. It's just to kind of speed things up a little bit. And while the call is being transferred over to you. The transfer rate for our system is extremely fast. It will do it in less than a second, so your message does not have to be very long. Okay, and they will ask you to do that here. Also, one more thing I wanted to point out, is that when once you click start calling, you're going to want to leave your phone on. Okay, in other words, once it calls you and you click talk on your phone to accept the call, leave it on. Okay, while the system is calling and sending you calls, you want to keep that phone on, never press end to end the call. Okay, it will the system will automatically end the calls for you. You click keep your phone on until you're done calling for that session, then you click off and it will basically stop everything. All right, if you click off before then, you're just going to have to do this step over again, which is just type in the telephone number and then the number of lines you want dialing out. Also, if, for example, there's going to be two of you for one line, you can have the second person be a backup agent, which means if you are on the phone, it will send the next call to your backup agent. So if he or she logs in, they want to check backup agent there. Okay. Screen pop-up information window. All right. This is a pop-up that you have the option to use where it will show the information of the person you are calling or actually have on the line. Okay. So and by the way, whatever information you upload into the system, that is the information that's going to show here. All right. So if you only upload the telephone numbers, no names, no addresses, then only the telephone number is going to pop up. Okay. That's it. It's really that simple. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Telephone number is area code 949-207-8675. Okay. Thanks so much. Have a good day.